The garden isn't just a place to grow plants. It's a place to enrich our life experiences. We connect with our food, our environment, and often our family history. We seek out creative ways to solve problems for our garden challenges and for the world around us. These are stories of the small steps we take in our own backyard. These are stories of epic change to defend the pristine beauty of nature. These are our stories for all of us and for our future generations. From protecting the smallest of creatures to the wild Alaskan wilderness, we come together and find ways we can each do better. We grow safe, healthy food for our tables, reap harvest from hidden treasures, recreate habitat lost to urban expansion, all while learning fresh lessons in how, when we work in concert with the natural world, our life is simplified and our roots grow deeper. Every one of us brings something unique to the common issues which challenge us. There is a continuing evolution in how and what we grow. Find inspiration here to improve your own little corner and to empower your vision for growing a greener world.